In a cozy town, lived a curious boy named Timmy. One day, Timmy found a mysterious old clock in his grandfather's attic. As Timmy examined the clock, he noticed it was no ordinary timepiece. It had magical hands pointing to important life lessons. The clock's first lesson was about the value of spending time with family. Timmy saw pictures of his parents and siblings. Next, the clock guided Timmy to lessons about spending time with friends, creating joyful memories, and building lasting connections. As Timmy continued his adventure, the clock revealed lessons about spending time on hobbies and passions that brought joy. The clock had one more crucial lesson: the importance of giving time to others, helping neighbors, sharing with classmates, and being kind. Timmy was filled with warmth as he learned these valuable lessons. The clock reminded him that time was a precious gift. From that day on, Timmy spent time with family, played with friends, enjoyed hobbies, and helped others. The lessons transformed him into a caring and happy young man. As the years passed, Timmy cherished moments with loved ones, always remembering the magical clock that taught him what truly mattered. Timmy's time-telling adventure, a heartwarming tale about valuing moments that truly count.